How to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram notes feature not showing up. Now it's quite simple and easy. If you open up Instagram app, you'll get an interface like this. If you head into your chat by tapping on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll be able to see the notes feature. However, you can see I don't have notes feature after I lately updated the app. Here the notes feature has been removed. Now to get it back, what you can do is you'll have to reset your app data. Now I'll just be showing you how you can do it. I won't be doing it. However, if you scroll down the notification bar here and head into your settings icon that you find at the top of your screen, simply tap on settings icon here and scroll down and head into apps. Now once on apps, what you want to do is search in for Instagram. Now here on Instagram, if you are on iOS device, you can simply upload the app. If you are on Android, however, head into storage here and simply tap on clear data option, and you can see all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. So this will reset your app and remove any glitches and bugs as well. So simply delete this, and what you want to do is head back to Play Store and update the app again. The update will be available once you do so. So simply update the app, and once you do it, if you open up Instagram and head into text or message icon there, you'll be able to find notes feature. So this way you can fix Instagram notes feature not showing up. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.